Soundscape by Sarah James. Waking to the smell of salt, taste of sand, she hears rustle of sea and leaves, muffled thuds of distant movement, and staccato tapping of water in pipes. Hugging the warmth of her cardigan, she feels strong for once and stands up, looking away from faded B&B cleanliness to sip a whisper of stillness from the beach. Inhaled colours, pink, orange, yellow, hint at island heather, gorse, cloudy shrubs. The shimmering lullaby of sky and sea soothes with a shh of a mother's presence. Maybe this time she is better. She tries to photograph the semblance of tranquility, but her figure cycles past on the coastal road. Noisy black shape etched forever on her Turner landscape. The echo of its metallic clink-clank stains the untouched softness, scratches, sand on skin or rope around her neck. The sea's childhood lisp hisses now. This is it. So she waits, stretching across silence to listen for the tide's triumphant crescendo, or the hush of shallow sea breath curled into a shell.